Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is chapter 6 triangles. In this video, I'll take basics and also exercise 6.1. So let's start. Hello guys, welcome back. This is Neelam Sirvi and in today's video, we'll start with the triangles chapter. In triangles chapter, first we need to know what is the difference between congruent figures and similar figures. So, what are congruent figures? We would have already studied this concept in our class 9. So, congruent figures are those which have same shape and same size. For example, let us take two squares and the sides be 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. I can tell that these two figures are congruent. Why? Because they have same shape. That is, they both are square. And they also have same size, that is their all sides are equal. One more example guys, I'll give you two circles, the radius are 4, 4. Once again I can tell that these are congruent figures. Why? Because they have same shape. The shape is both are circle and they also have same size because their radius are equal. Now we'll see what is similar figures. I'll give you one example. Are they congruent? No. Why? Because they have same shape but they don't have same size. So, same shape is there but same size is not there. Now, whether they are similar, similar means whether they are both are triangles, yes. So, they are similar, yes. So, one more example I will give, a triangle and a circle. Whether they are similar, no. Why? Because they have different shape. So, now we will discuss the condition of the similarity. We can say two figures are similar when corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. So, there are two conditions of the similarity. One is their corresponding angles should be equal and also their corresponding sides should be in the same proportion. This condition is end condition, means you need to satisfy both the condition. This I will explain you with an example. So, let us take two triangles. So, one be ABC and DEF. So, their angles be 60, 50 and 70. Here also 60, 50, 70. And the sides be 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8. In this both triangles I can see angle A is equal to angle D, which is 60 is equal to 60 degree. Same way angle B is equal to angle E, which is equal to 50 degree. B and E is equal. Same way angle C and angle F. So, angle C is equal to angle F, which is 70 degree. So, I can tell all the corresponding angles are equal. So, the first condition is satisfied. Now we need to satisfy the second condition. Second condition, so let's take AB by DE is equal to 2 by 4. So AB by DE 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2. Same way AC by DF, which is 3 by 6, which is also equal to 1 by 2. Same way BC by EF. So BC by EF is equal to 4 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 2. So from these three, I can tell AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. Now I can tell all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So our second condition is also satisfied. So our first condition was the corresponding angles should be equal. So here this is equal to this, this is equal to this, this is equal to this, and the second condition is their corresponding sides should be in the same ratio. So we got AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. So these both conditions are satisfied. So I can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now exercise 6.1. The first question is filling the blank using the correct word given in the bracket. All circles are dash, congruent or similar. Circles can have different radius also. So they cannot be congruent, they can only be similar. So it is similar. All squares are dash, similar, congruent. Same way squares can have different sides also. So they are similar, not congruent. Why? Because we know the condition of the congruent is same shape and same size also. Now third question is all dash triangles are similar. Isosceles, equilateral. Obviously equilateral triangles will be similar. Fourth question, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. These two conditions we have already discussed. So their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportion. Now second question is give two examples of pair of similar figures. Similar figures means you can give two triangles of any size. Same way non-similar figure means you should give one as triangle and one as circle. So they are non-similar figures. The third question is state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. The first figure is parallelogram and the second figure is square. But even a square can also be a parallelogram. So we need to verify the condition. So first condition is we need to check whether all the corresponding angles are equal. In this case the corresponding angles are not equal. And the second condition is we need to check whether the corresponding sides are in same proportion. So 1.5 divided by 3 is equal to 0.5. It is equal for all the sides. So I can tell all the corresponding sides are equal. First condition is not satisfied, but second condition is satisfied. I can tell that these two figures are not similar. So this exercise completes here. At the end of the video, I will display the summary of today's discussion, and in the next video, I will be explaining BPT theorem, which is very important. So do press the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the notification of my all videos. I hope you liked the video. Do share this with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you. Jai Hind.